Welcome to How to Install Smart Business. Once you have completed your purchase online, you will be emailed a software download link as well as your new activation key. Please note that these emails will come to the registered email address for the PayPal account used to make your purchase. Let us begin the Smart Business installation. Right-click on the downloaded file named smartbusinessinstaller.zip and choose Open With, and then choose Windows Explorer. Now double-click on smartbusinessinstaller.exe. The first step is to accept the license agreement. Next you must choose the components. This has been chosen for you, so click on the Next button. The next window will ask to set the destination folder. Leave it at the default setting. Make a note of this as you will need it later. Now click on the Next button. The next window asks you to choose a Start menu folder. Leave this at the default setting as well. The program will now quickly install, and when completed, choose the Next button. Whether you have already installed the Microsoft tools or not, it is suggested that you now uncheck the Tools option before finishing the installation. This is because the actual links shown may have been moved at Microsoft. It is best to follow the next directions for the latest versions of the WSR Macros tool and the Backup Restore Profile tool. The most current links on the 2815consulting.com website are under menu item Business Solutions than industry links. Both are required for the application to run with all options activated. Although these Microsoft programs say they are for Vista, they are good for all subsequent 32 and 64-bit versions of Windows, up to and including Windows 10. If for any reason there is a future problem with the Microsoft WSR Macros program after a Windows update, you can reinstall or run a repair in Windows Control Panel by opening Programs and Features, then right-clicking on Windows Speech Recognition Macros, and then choosing Repair. Please note, the Profile tool must now be copied into the Smart Business Installation directory. Once all these steps have been successfully completed, we can start the program from the new desktop icon and run tests to make sure your computer hardware works properly. We suggest you restart your computer now before running these tests.